Alright, in this video we're looking for the probability that a standard normal random variable is less than negative 8.01. Alright, so I'm going to draw a bell curve here. First a number line, and then I'm going to put the bell curve on top of that. So let's draw kind of a standard bell curve. And we'll label the center at 0. Now, when the curve starts to get very skinny at the end, that's about where negative 3.00 occurs, and over here this would be about 3.00. So at this point, to the left of this, there's virtually no area. There's a very small amount of area to the left of this. Now imagine we're going to be looking for the amount of area to the left of negative 8.01. If this distance here represents negative 3, then about the same distance would represent, say, negative 6. And if you go another 2 units out, you're about where it would be maybe to have negative 8.01. And we're looking for the probability that a z-score randomly selected is from this part of the curve. Well, by the time the curve gets that far out, there's no area left. So I'm going to say the probability here is just 0. And that's the logic to this problem. You can't look it up on a chart because no z-chart's going to have this number on it. And so essentially you just have to reason out that this is going to have to be 0 since there's so little area even after negative 3. And now here would be negative 6, and you're still 2 more away at negative 8. And you're talking about what's to the left of that. That answer would be 0, of course.